Did you know that eating just one clove of garlic daily can significantly reduce your risk of catching a cold? That's not folklore. It's from a landmark study in advances in therapy. But cold prevention is just the start. Today, we're unpacking 7 science-backed reasons to make garlic your kitchen's secret weapon for health. For over 5,000 years, garlic has been revered as both food and medicine. From ancient Egyptian laborers chewing cloves for stamina to Hippocrates prescribing it for infections. Fast forward to today, and modern research confirms what our ancestors knew. This pungent bulb is a powerhouse. Packed with allicin, antioxidants, and sulfur compounds, garlic doesn't just flavor your pasta, it fights disease, boosts immunity, and even protects your brain. Let's dive into the proof. Let's face it, chronic health issues like high blood pressure, weak immunity, and inflammation are rampant. Many turn to supplements or medications, but they often come with side effects, like gut issues from antibiotics or dependency on painkillers. Enter garlic, a natural remedy hiding in plain sight. But does it actually work? Spoiler, yes. A 2020 review in Antioxidants Journal found garlic impacts numerous biological pathways in the body. Let's break down the top 7 benefits, starting with its most famous perk. 1. Heart health hero. Garlic's sulfur compounds, like allicin, boost nitric oxide production, a molecule that relaxes blood vessels like a natural pressure valve. A 2019 meta-analysis in experimental and therapeutic medicine found that daily garlic, about 2 to 3 cloves, reduced systolic blood pressure by up to 8 millimeters of mercury, similar to some prescription drugs. But here's the kicker. Garlic also prevents LDL cholesterol from oxidizing, the real culprit behind artery plaque. Think of it as a tiny scrub brush for your blood vessels. Pro tip, crush garlic and let it sit for 10 minutes before cooking. This activates allicin, the compound behind most benefits. 2. Immunity booster. Allicin isn't just for vampires, it's a microbial assassin. A 2012 study in clinical nutrition showed that garlic extract greatly slashed cold severity by directly blocking viruses from replicating. But raw garlic is key here. Heat deactivates allicin. Hate the bite? Try fermented black garlic. Sweeter, milder, and packed with double the antioxidants. Spread it on toast or blend into dressings. 3. Anti-inflammatory powerhouse. Chronic inflammation is like a slow-burning fire in your body. Garlic's diallyl disulfide extinguishes it by blocking NF-κB, a protein that triggers inflammation. In a 2021 study, rheumatoid arthritis patients who ate garlic daily saw a notable drop in joint swelling in 3 months. For a pain-fighting punch, blend raw garlic into a morning smoothie with pineapple. Its bromelain enzyme boosts absorption. Enjoying these herbal hacks? Please like, subscribe, and hit the bell. It really helps me get the message out. Okay, let's get back to it. 4. Detox Dynamo. Garlic jumpstarts your liver's detox enzymes. A 2012 trial in Environmental Health Perspectives found garlic outperformed a drug in reducing lead toxicity. Pair it with cilantro, a heavy metal binder, for a detox duo. Not a fan of the taste? Roast whole garlic bulbs. Caramelization mellows the flavor while preserving sulfur compounds. Spread roasted cloves on sourdough or mix into mashed potatoes. 5. Brain Protector. Aged garlic extract. AGE contains S-allylcysteine, which crosses the blood-brain barrier and may help dissolve Alzheimer's-linked amyloid plaques. A 2019 study in Nutrients found AGE improved memory in older adults. Don't like supplements? Simmer garlic in olive oil. The fat enhances absorption of brain-boosting compounds. Use the oil for sautéing veggies or drizzling on salads. 6. Cancer fighter. Population studies show garlic lovers have a lower risk of colorectal cancer. The secret? Organosulfur compounds like ajoine, which trigger cancer cell suicide, apoptosis. For maximum effect, eat garlic raw. Try mincing it into guacamole or mixing with honey as a flu-fighting tonic. Can't handle raw? Pickle garlic in apple cider vinegar. The acetic acid preserves its cancer-fighting properties. 7. Bone density guardian. Garlic boosts estrogen in postmenopausal women, slowing bone loss. A 2018 study in phytotherapy research found daily garlic increased bone density markers by 5% in 6 months. Sneak it into meals with garlic-infused oils or soups. Simmer bones, garlic, and veggies for a collagen-rich broth. Now, here's an extra bonus. Some garlic hacks for haters and breath warriors. Mellow the punch. Roast whole garlic cloves with olive oil. Sweet, buttery, and no harsh bite. Disguise it. Blend raw garlic into hummus, pesto, or tomato sauce. Its sharpness melts into the background. Breath fixes. Parsley. Chew a sprig post-meal. Chlorophyll neutralizes sulfur compounds. Lemon water. A post-garlic rinse cuts through odor. Green tea. Polyphenols in matcha block volatile compounds. Supplements. Odorless aged garlic capsules. Studies show they retain 90% of benefits. Quick recipe. Immunity shot. Blend 1 raw garlic clove, 1 tablespoon honey, 1 teaspoon lemon juice, and a pinch of cayenne. Take it like a shot. Spicy, sweet, and packed with germ-fighting power. Now, here's the kicker. Garlic's cancer-fighting power isn't just lab hype. The Iowa Women's Health Study, tracking 41,000 women for 15 years, found those eating garlic at least 2 times weekly had a lower risk of colon cancer. And it's not just about eating more garlic, it's about activating its compounds. Crush or chop cloves and let them sit for 10 minutes before cooking. This triggers allicin formation. Skip this step and you lose 90% of the benefits. Who knew salad prep could be life-saving? So there you have it. Garlic guards your heart, supercharges immunity, tames inflammation, detoxifies, shields your brain, fights cancer, and strengthens bones. It's not magic, it's biochemistry. Whether roasted, raw, or fermented, aim for 2 to 3 cloves daily. Just pair it with parsley to curb the breath. Now, how do you use garlic? Blend it into hummus? Roast it with veggies? Share your favorite recipe below. I'm always hunting for new ideas. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this content helpful. If you liked the video, I'd really appreciate it if you took a second and gave it a thumbs up. Interested in more science-backed, down-to-earth wellness gems? Then you'll want to subscribe and hit the bell. Don't forget to check out the next video we've lined up for you. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. Join us as we make science simple, one herbal hack at a time.